Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, October the 17th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. Now, in the email you're getting, you will see there is a link to get to the latest beta, which then will allow you to do paper trading, all right? Real-time paper trading. I demonstrated a little bit in yesterday's video. So real-time paper trading is now available, and as part of the standard package, you don't need our premium subscription for that. So let's see what happened with me today. So a lot of patience with this one. Now, you know, we, of course, since Friday with the SES, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we've been in kind of low float mania. We've had a lot of the low floaters that just have absolutely exploded, and this is no exception. Take a look at got to get the single stock window in my other. Okay, 3.45 million shares in the float for this one. So this had some news after hours yesterday. You can see the move it had after hours, and it had a great move in the pre-market. You got all the way up to 521. I was actually waiting right there, and I was bound and determined that I was going to take that trade at just under at 4, and then it dropped. Then it popped up, came right back down. I thought, well, okay, maybe that's it, because that's. I'm sorry, it was maybe right there. I can't really remember. I was watching this for a 4 break, like a big solid 4 break. But anyway, bottom line is, when I saw this, I thought, okay, this is probably going to be over. However, then it finally moved above 4 again, came back down, and then I think I jokingly said, for the 100th time when it broke 4, I finally took the trade. I ended up taking this trade right here. Well, it was 417 actually, but that's close enough. Took the trade right here, and man, what a move it made. You know, that was exciting. I got out. I have to admit, I sold out a little bit at 429 because I was worried about moves like this. You know, it was still pretty whippy, and I was just worried that, you know, it could easily do this in a heartbeat, or this, you know. So anyway, I took a little bit out at 429 just in case, and then up here at 457, took out some more. And 485, I always take some out just before a whole number, you know, just in case. I always feel that, you know, stocks can really, you know, stall at a whole number. I was wrong in this case, and then some at 505. So anyway, tremendous trade. I mean, it was actually in the watch list also. 429 and the watch list. Again, I got in a little bit earlier than that, but really nice one from the watch list. This one from the watch list, my goodness, ASMB at 1387. Now, I second guessed myself, but look at this, 1387, and it hit 1845. Unfortunately, I second guessed myself on that one, because when I looked at the weekly chart, I thought that there'd be maybe a little bit too much resistance right about there. So remember now, the alert came at 1387, and I thought maybe there'd be right there. It was actually around 1432 that I saw it. I thought, man, I think there might be just too much resistance, and I was, you know, incredibly wrong. I mean, it just blew through all of this, and you know, it's not quite at the high of the day, but man, what a trade that was. So two big percentage winners from the watch list today. The rest of them, nothing fantastic. I mean, the TTM didn't really do anything. The the COA was an earnings play. Let me just get to the 15-minute chart. Would have given you a nice quick trade. You know, there it was at 21.22, got as high as 21.65 before it pulled back. This one, kind of a quick trade. 439, it got up to 448, but nothing fantastic. Again, this one I thought actually had some promise, because they basically regained NASDAQ compliance. That was the reason why this one shot up after hours yesterday. So I thought maybe it would do something similar to what CTST did, which is a little cannabis player. It did the same thing. It got news here. Daily chart will show it better.
Running up.
Right there, got news that they regained compliance, and, you know, it had a tremendous 1, 2, 3-day run, got as high, yesterday up to here before it has pulled back. So I thought maybe the FT would do the same thing. It just didn't happen.
Wow.
Back to the 15-minute time frame. I don't think I added OGI early. It's actually not too bad, but these little canvas plays, I just don't, I just can't trust them. I mean, look how choppy that is. I mean, it's just no direction. The Intelsat really, I think, ran also 26.68, and it got as high as 27.21 before it pulled back. It's back up there now again. This is the one that I second guessed myself on also. The 26.92 did get as high as 27.32. The reason I was second guessing myself is that I think the market was starting to do this, and I just thought, this is not, it's not an earnings play. I don't see any specific news for it. I thought maybe it'd be more influenced by the overall market, but I was wrong. This one I'm kind of waiting on. Want to see if it can take out that 1620. This is a paper trade. I'm in right there on a paper trade. I've got a stop there, and just want to see if it can take out this area right there at 1623, which is in yesterday's 15-minute candles. If it does that, I mean, it's got some room. So I'm just waiting on it. In fact, what I should do is put my price alert there also, and see if it takes that out later on. So, some good, definitely some great percentage movers from the watch list today. Again, if you want to follow along, all you have to do is new, channel bar, and my windows, okay? And then, it's I don't want to say it's a completely different watch list every day, because what happens is I will take today's watch list, and then I will, for instance, this one's on the watch list, okay? Well, if it stays here, I'll keep it on the watch list, because you never know. It could start to run still. So there will be some carryovers from today's watch list tomorrow, and then some brand new ones based on some of the scans that I do after hours. And I think that's it. The Perry. Perry was another one that unfortunately I got out of. Perry, it wasn't bad. This is actually an AI alert also. 590 or 497 was an AI alert. And actually the AI had HEPA earlier than I did. 391. Remember, this got up to 5 something. So at one point this was up 30%. So there was a great move. The Perry, again, 497, that was where the AI had it. I got in at 506, right about here. It was right about there, and I think, I took most of it off right there. It pulled back down, and I did not get back into it. I think this is when I was on my break, and it took a nice little pop up. But on a percentage basis, certainly from 506 up to 532, even if I didn't get right out at 532, if I got out here, that would have been a great trade. All right, well, I do want to get back into the room and close down the chart, bring back my capture program. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link for our free room. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. Hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.